Welcome to this explainer on the OSI model. It's basically a 7-layer blueprint for how network data travels.
Ever wonder how your computer talks to a server across the world? Well, each layer has a specific job. Think of sending data kind of like mailing a letter to your crush. It happens in very specific, ordered steps.
And that's exactly what the OSI model is, a 7-layer blueprint defining how network communication actually works.
Let's start at the very top. Layer 7 is the application layer. This is where you directly interact.
It's what you actually see and use. Your web browser, your apps. Stuff like HTTP and DNS live right here.
Moving down, we hit layer 6, presentation. This guy translates your data into a readable format and encrypts it.
Thanks to protocols like SSL and TLS, it makes sure your passwords aren't just floating around in plain text.
Next up, layer 5 is the session layer. This manages the actual connections between your devices. It starts them, maintains them, and ends them cleanly. This is exactly why your video calls don't randomly drop.
Now, layer 4 is transport. This is exactly where your data gets broken into smaller pieces for sending. These pieces are sent over using two main protocols, TCP and UDP. Let's quickly look at the difference.
TCP makes sure everything arrives flawlessly. UDP is chaotic and fast with no checks, which is perfect for live gaming.
Down to layer 3, the network layer. This is where IP addresses and routing happen to find the best path.
It gets your data from point A to point B. This is exactly where your internet routers operate.
Layer 2 is data link. It handles local network communication. So your network switch actually operates right here.
If an IP address is your name, data link uses MAC addresses, which act like permanent fingerprints for your devices.
And finally, layer 1 is physical. We're literally talking cables, radio waves, and electrical signals here.
There's absolutely zero software involved at this stage. It's just raw ones and zeros moving through the physical world.
So, need a quick memory trick to lock in all 7 of these layers from top to bottom?
All people seem to need data processing, application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, physical. And that's the OSI model. Isn't it totally wild that all 7 complex layers happen flawlessly in just milliseconds?